Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of leaving a review on Facebook. Whether you want to share your positive experience or give constructive feedback, we're here to help. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open and log into your Facebook account. Step 2. Search for business pages. Use Facebook's search bar to find the page of the business or service you want to review. Step 3. Navigate to the Reviews section. Once you're on the business page, look for the Reviews tab. If you don't see it at the top, click About to reveal additional options. Step 4. Click Rating. Reviews, click Yes after seeing the yes. No question, do you recommend Glam Spa and Beauty Lounge? To begin the review process, Step 5. Business Reviews, assign a star rating based on your experience with the business. Step 6. Write your review, share your thoughts about the business. Remember that reviews must be at least 25 characters long. Step 7. Add a tag or photo, optional. Enhance your reviews by adding relevant tags, e.g. cozy atmosphere, kid-friendly, or attaching photos. Step 8. Choose your audience. In the sharing section, choose who can see your review. You can select friends only or make it public. Step 9. Click Share. When you are satisfied with your review, click Share to publish it. Good luck with your choice. Please support us by liking and subscribing so we have the motivation to make videos. Thanks for watching.